to see what we've prepared for you, really are. Ah.
Big enough to take the world and all it's got.